Hello, Devesh. Congratulations on making it to IIM Calcutta. I'm
Hello,
sure
sir.
everybody looking at CAT, that's the dream college to move in. So we'll try to understand from you, how did you prepare for the LRDI section of CAT? So can you please throw some light on it?
Yes, sir. So for CAT 2020, I started my preparations in the mid of July. So I kind of divided my LRDI preparation into two parts. The first being the hard work, wherein I focused on solving adequate number of questions and also from different for different types of sets, that I get an idea about what are the different types of questions that come in the exam. And the second part of my preparation was about the smart work, wherein I focused on what would be the right strategy for me to attempt the section. So even if I know how to solve a particular question, I might not get as much marks if I don't follow the right strategy towards that section. So I worked on various sectional tests and used different strategies to come out with the best strategy for me.
So see, Devesh, one critical factor which students feel that this is a very time-consuming section. So in one case that sometimes when they're practicing at home, it might take them half an hour, 45 minutes to solve. And as a result, they give it up midway, feeling that exam mein nahi ho payega. So when not taking the tests, what is your advice to the students?
So I would advise them to solve that set. Even if that takes more than half an hour, they should solve that set, get an crux of it. And after that, even if they don't solve it that day, they could kind of try it the next day itself, like I did that myself. And then they could look at the solutions to see where they went wrong and how better could their approach could have been like.
So in a mock, typically, how did you select the right number of caselets? Because let's say in a 40-minute section, there will be 5 caselets. In a 1 hour section, there will be 8 caselets. So how did you go about selecting the right ones?
So my strategy was that for the initial 5 to 7 minutes, I would focus on selecting the best 4 sets that I would choose. So I would choose the 4 sets in the order of which I would attempt, starting from the easiest to the seemingly difficult ones. So the comfort with which you choose a set depends upon how much have you practiced that particular type of question. So with adequate number of practice, you would get an idea about, just by reading the caselet, you would understand that whether you will be able to solve it in the first go or not. So that was my strategy for attempting the section and choosing the cases.
Okay. So typically, how many caselets would you be solving, let's say in a week, let's say July onwards, looking at CAT in November?
Sir, I used to solve about 2 to 3 sets every day. So that kind of translates to about 14 to 20, 21 sets a week from July. And that would then, like once you start giving mocks, that would automatically get transformed in sectional test and mocks. So you need to give that much amount of sectional test or mocks to have that amount of practice for the LRDI section.
So here, does LR and DI different? Like, did you say that no, I will do DI first and then LR, or LR first then DI, or like it was on its merit you chose the caselet?
So on the merit, depends upon which particular set you're comfortable with. Like it might happen that the LR section is quite difficult, but the DI is easy. So you need to move on with DI first and then LR. Yes, sir.
All in all, what Devesh is trying to highlight is that practice is the key. So please, at least 3 to 4 caselets a day. The more you practice, the more familiar you become with the different variety of questions which come. And I think it will help you choose the right caselets in a much easier and a more convenient manner when you take the mocks. Also, I think it's very critical that we do the hard work ourselves at home. So even if a caselet takes a longer time to solve, please ensure that you go ahead, complete it and solve it, rather than quickly jumping to see the solution. I think that is where we will learn it the hard way, even if it takes some extra time in the initial phase of my preparation. Right, Devesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That kind of summarizes all that I wanted to say.
Good. Thanks a lot, dear. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you, sir.